What's up, guys? I'm off today, so this girl Yvonne hit me up and asked me if I wanted Venezuelan food. So I was like, all right, why not? So she's taking me out, about to head to the city. All right, so I got to the city in St. Mark's. That's all there is. I'm with this girl. She's on the phone. She's camera shy. Hey.
Freezing out here.
It's really cold. See that? It's freezing. Alright, so we got to the Venezuelan spot. It's like a hole in the wall. But the best spots in New York are like a hole in the wall. She got a soup. What'd you get, Yvonne?
Squash.
How's it taste?
Amazing. Good.
We got some of that in the appetizer. It's called Toscanes. I don't know how I'm saying it right, but
He doesn't know that.
Part of the reason I buy records is so I have more stuff to sing.
I've only brought stocks in anyway.
how do you like it? No words. That's how you know you should. Oh man.
Pabellón criollo.
What is it called?
Pabellón criollo.
Alright, so this is my first time trying some Venezuelan food. I'm going for the plantains.
What's it called?
Something, but all I know is so good. It's really good. There's some rice.
How is it? How's the beans? How's that meat? You didn't even eat the meat.
Yeah, it's so good. All I know is it's good. It's sweet. What'd you get, Mom?
I got a ripa
She got some
and a squash
bao.
soup. Has meat in it. See?
Take a bite.
Add some sauce into it.
Old roommate from her previous place. With us. Oh,
That's how you know it's good. Alright, so the first time trying to Venezuelan food, it was really good. It was so good I couldn't even finish it.
But I did.
You didn't even finish your shit. You still got the bread over there.
Oh, piece of bread. Ooh.
She's always on the phone, man. She's always on the phone looking like naked pictures, you know what I'm saying? Like, she's always looking at naked pictures. Like, dude, send a mad dick pic. Send them. That's all she looks at. Alright, guys. For all those guys out there who wants an Asian girlfriend, I'm gonna let you guys know a tip. You need to have a big dick dictionary because they're like smart guys. Alright?
Yes.
We got at the spot, it's called the Forest. And she got the lava cake. This is like green tea ice cream with like chocolate. Mine's green also, but you can't see it because of the lighting and stuff like that. I'll try it out.
How is it?
She's getting me fat, man. Getting me fat.
Good.
Yeah, Asian girls like taking pictures, so like you gotta have a good camera too. This is what happens when girls think they're pop stars and shit. Wanting pop stars.